Hello, welcome to another episode of the Ikan Bilis Weekly Forecast Show. Our weekly forecast is published every Sunday, 4 p.m. UK time to help you navigate the sea of market volatility. Please subscribe and click the like button before we dive into the chart.
Hey people, I've got something good to share with you guys. Bilis has launched a prop trading service and we are now looking for talented traders to fund. You can trade Forex, crypto indices, and metals with the accounts using the MetaTrader 4 application. We have the friendliest evaluation criteria in the industry that sets you up for success. All you just need to make 10% on your account in 60 days and make sure that your trade sizes are consistent and within a reasonable risk parameter. Most prop trading firms split up their evaluation into two 30-day phases and require a 10% profit made on each of those phases. In my opinion, that sets up traders for failure and forces them to take unnecessary risks on the account. Furthermore, we allow you to earn from the get-go. Yes, we reward you for good trading even during your evaluation phase. So wait no longer. Go ahead and sign up for an account at ikanbilis.capital. We're now giving out free challenges for a limited time only. Please join our Discord channel to say hi and find out more.
So let's talk about the DXY, the dollar index. I think for the dollar index, pretty much the same thing is in a range for the most of Q4 2021. I think this is perfect for the market makers to whip people up, either up or down. So expect a fake out of the range, either to the upside or downside. But we think that a last wave 5 may be needed before any kind of significant consolidation downwards that will be sustainable and that we can catch in terms of like catching on to a trend. So this pump up will likely come before the Fed ends their taper in March 2022. And I think by then, once they start their rate hikes, we will see some sort of buy the rumor, sell the news event. So instead of like people thinking, okay, now there'll be lesser and lesser money in the markets, risk on will definitely not do that well. We will see a rally in risk on. Yeah. So yeah, and the reason why is because I don't think the rate hike is that significant, and I think the Fed will slowly increase the interest rates to suck back the liquidity from the markets. Yeah, so I think we will see one last rally for risk on before sustained downside or deflationary kind of scenarios.
We've come to the end of the video. If you think our content is useful to you, please like, share, and subscribe. Our Discord channel is up and running, and it's the best place to stay current with our latest updates. See you there, or until next week.